Hey there, smart investors! Welcome to Smart Finances with Ajay. Today, let's dive into the exciting world of bull and bear markets. First up, a bull market. Picture a bull charging forward. This represents rising prices and investor confidence. It's the time when stocks are thriving and your investments are likely growing. Now, let's flip to the bear market. Imagine a bear swiping down. This symbolizes falling prices and a dip in investor confidence. In a bear market, your investments can lose value and fear creeps in. But how do these markets affect your investments? In a bull market, it's a great time to buy and hold stocks. In a bear market, consider re-evaluating your portfolio. Maybe even buying undervalued stocks at a discount. Remember these tips? Stay informed. Diversify your portfolio. Don't panic. Markets are cyclical. Subscribe for more insights from Smart Finances with Ajay.